Good day, traders. This is Rich with BinaryOptionTrading.com coming live with some price action. Looking at 9:20 a.m. April 24th. April is flying. Looking at a call option here on the Euro USD near these lows on an old trade level, forming this nice little consolidation range with a wick. Looking over here on this purple line, bounced off nicely here, moved through it here, chopped. Try to get through it here, failed, moved through it here, and now we're just consolidating in the 29s, guys. We're back in the 29s, looking for the bounce off this level, and I'm looking for the price to continue to the north side before the U.S. markets open. I don't expect it to get up super high or anything, but to be a winner nonetheless. In at 1.29861, it's currently at 1.29871, so up a pip. You can see the chop here. It came down to this level, and yeah, it's been trying to get down there a couple times, but because it's right before the U.S. markets are opening up, I expect the price not to move too heavily and kind of keep consolidating at this area until around 9:30 or 9:45. Once the price does make its move, it could possibly go against this area and hit some new lows. In this area, you can see how we had a nice strong wick down to the 129.52 level, half whole number, but now we're bouncing up is what I'm seeing. And before the U.S. markets open, that's the majority of my basis right now. I can see price getting up into this level with how much time left? 8 minutes to go. We'll keep an eye on this. I'm going to come back. Hope everyone's having a great week. Make sure you guys are liking, sharing, tweeting, getting it out there to the people. I really appreciate it. Make sure you're doing that on the website. Check out the chart setup video, things like that. And if you have any questions, let me know. So we're going to go back to the chart. Hopefully this price, my entry is right around this area. It's not necessarily at this purple line, but it is above it. But I don't want to put another purple line in there because I already have it stated. So I'm going to pause. I'll come back, and hopefully we'll have a winning trade. Okay, guys, we are here for the final minute, and price did go in our favor for a couple of pips. Then for 4 candles or so, pulled against us by a pip or two, and now it's making its move back up to the north side in our direction, just how we like it. Let's confirm. You can see the climb, the drop, and now the climb with less than 30 seconds to go. Well, about 30 seconds to go. Currently up 3 pips, and we will take that when we can get it. Currently up 2 pips. So it's actually a little tight battle once again, but you can see the entry here on the 1 minute. It looks pretty solid. You got the wicks here, the wicks here, the wick here, the drop down here, and then my entry was actually right here. I'm sorry. And now the pullback against us, making a new low for this consolidation range, which happens. When you see a consolidation range, you sometimes see extended moves past the lows and the highs of the consolidation. You can see how price moved up here, came back down, moved up here, but didn't get up as high as this. So sometimes it will just meander and just do its thing before making its next move. And in this case, our move was a green one. So this was a good trade. I liked it. Before the U.S. market's opening up. Should be interesting to see what Apple does today, guys, on the stock market. They did report earnings, giving some money back to the people. They had to do something with the multi billions in cash they're sitting on. So that should be an interesting stock to watch if you guys want to watch the stock market. Apple is the one to watch. Checking it out right now, opening down $12. Not necessarily good if you are an owner, but I think it will rally. People will realize that the stock is just too good not to hold. They boost their dividend, and it should be interesting to see how it plays out. So as binary traders, Apple should be moving pretty well for you if that's something you do play. This Euro USD was nice. Let's see what happened over the course of the night. We got this nice wick at the 30.26 area. Pivot play here. Here's that low at the half whole number. I don't think it was really tradable. Hard to get in on that one for sure. Maybe you guys did. Surge. Let me know if you got in on that. Just, whole number here. Consolidation, flat line. Bounce off the whole number here at 130. and the push through. So the whole number is playable for a put. The pivot's playable for a put. This purple line of 129.66 is playable for a call. I would let it extend through support level 1. And possibly if the markets really shift, it could get down to this half whole number again, and possibly more. So price is moving in our direction from our trade. You can see it's still moving up to new highs of the, now it's really popping. See, this is what happens when the U.S. market's open. It gets a little bit more price action going, and depending on what kind of trade you're looking for, this is something that I expected to happen after an influx of cash into the markets, and that's what we're seeing right now. So I'm going to pause. Actually, I'm not going to pause. I'm going to close out the video. Make sure you guys are comment, tweeting, sharing, liking. Got some new blog post up. And if you have any questions, leave them below. You know what to do, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. So this is Rich with BinaryOptionTrading.com, and we'll talk to you tomorrow, Thursday, for the trade of the day.